this was made 2,000 years ago. And it doesn't come from a cookbook, but from a poem, and even contains a toxic ingredient. The word pizza only came 1,000 years later, so can we really call it a pizza? Today, we're going back in time and recreating it word for word and comparing it to its modern version.
A poem coming straight from 2,000 years ago, Moretum, attributed to Publius Vergilius Maro. And here we start. The man entered his little garden, and first easily digging them from the earth with his fingers, he pulled out 4 garlic bulbs with 6 roots. After that, the slender fronds of celery, Apium celery, or parsley. Sift through.
A herb known for its rather unfortunate toxic qualities.
And coriander, trembling on its delicate stalk. When he had gathered these, he sat down by the cheerful fire, and with a clear voice, asked his maidservant for the mortar. Then he stripped each head from its knotted skin, cast the discarded husks upon the ground, and placed the naked clothes into the hollow stone. Water moistened the bulb and softened it. He sprinkled in grains of salt, upon which was cast hard cheese.
And I might have taken a big bite out of it.
Then he added the herbs named above. Or it appears he will be adding these ingredients later, as his mortar is not the size of a bathtub. His red hand first crushed the fragrant garlic, then ground all the ingredients together.
So it seems I have been vanquished by this hard cheese and may have cheated my way to victory.
His hand moved in circles. Little by little, each ingredient lost its strength, and from many colors comes one.
My ingredients were clearly winning, so I did what I had to do to get that single color.
Then he sprinkled a few drops of olive oil, a little vinegar, and mixed the whole again. At last, he ran 2 fingers around the mortar, gathering the mixture into a single bowl, thus producing the finished Moretum. As I depart, one final thought. Good luck with all that garlic.
And garlic, he was right, as I had to taste the unfinished product, and all I had to say was, whoop! Damn! Yep, very garlicky. But let's wait for the final judgment next to our modern pizza and see if this version actually deserves the pizza title. Now, just like our first fast food ever video, this flatbread starts with spelt flour, plus a bit of whole wheat flour, in which goes our salt, water, olive oil, and the tiniest bit of active sourdough starter. After minimal knead and resting, we shape a small, simple little circle. Let's throw it onto our 550-degree preheated pizza stone. After a few minutes, she comes out, and on first inspection, she has no leoparding, but let's dress her up with Moretum, extra greens, and olive oil. Now looking at both pizzas side by side, I mean, it kinda looks like a pizza, right? Even from the side, she's holding up. So I gave it a bite, and oh boy, heating up that garlic did not help. Even with honey, it feels like I just licked a garlic press. And let's just say, my friends who were expecting pizza agreed on one thing and one thing only. The garlic showed zero mercy.
Nope.
So, is it pizza? I mean, it looks like a pizza, it smells like a pizza, and a few days later, I even used the flatbread to make a better pizza. So yeah, this is pizza, just with horrible toppings. Tell me if you agree in the comments. And if you like this type of video, well, leave a like and consider subscribing. Alright, that's it. I'm out.